today we're going to be hemming some towels from the Super Soft Cotton Towel Club. These are the strawberry tart towels, and we've got them off the loom here. There's 2 towels woven, and we're ready to hem. So the first thing we need to do is to sew a straight stitch across each hem at the end where the waste yarn is, so that it won't unravel when we take the waste yarn out. The next step will be to cut the waste yarn off, and we're safe to do that now because we have that straight stitch along here and our weaving won't unravel. And the next step will be to fold the hem over twice. We will take our iron, fold it over once, and then you'll use your hot iron to iron this first roll down. You can use a little steam, that helps a little bit. That's our first roll, and then you'll do that one more time, and then put the iron on that again, get a nice fold over. A little bit more steam. And now we're ready to sew that second stitch across. So now we have our folded hem, and we're ready to sew. You'll just sew across the bottom and secure the hem. I hope you've enjoyed these instructional videos on hemming your strawberry tart towels, and I welcome your questions and comments.